It is a very, very serious offence which violates all many state government and many acts, laws of the central government. Privacy is a very important issue. Our Aadhaar data is a very private matter. Nobody can access our Aadhaar data because Aadhaar number is linked to our banks, Aadhaar is linked to our phone numbers, Aadhaar is linked to many of our transactions. It is a personal private data. How has BJP got this data? Who gave them this data? Today, if my data is with the BJP, they can even send money into my bank account because my bank account is linked to Aadhaar. They can falsify information. They can send me messages. They can find out so many things about me or about any individual. So who gave BJP this data? So the Chief Justice has made a very serious observation to the Election Commission, warning the Election Commission to do its job. Election Commission should take this very seriously. The Congress party in Puducherry will file a complaint to the Election Commission saying that this is a serious breach of privilege and all the BJP candidates should be disqualified in this election. 31st, I think, Election Commission will be replying in the High Court because they have not even given a proper reply yesterday. So Chief Justice has taken very serious notice of that and pulled up the Election Commission and said, you please act on this. Simply by saying I've referred it to the cyber crime is not a reply which I'm looking from you. So you please file a detailed comment on this. That maybe let them file whatever comment. Main thing is BJP people have accessed the data of Aadhaar. And today BJP has not even responded to that statement. BJP has not even made any comment also. So we will file a complaint to the Election Commission that all Bharatiya Janata Party candidates in Puducherry should be disqualified by the Election Commission of India. We are going to file. We are going to file.